welcome back to my channel, Style the Body. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I have a new video for you guys. It's going to be an unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a minute, so I'm glad to be able to sit down here and then do this video for you guys today. So let's get right into it. From the title you can tell it's a unboxing video for these Gucci Dad Sandals that I got. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. The name is Style the Body on this channel, and it's all about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and a lot more. So if that's something that you're interested in, do me a favor, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Okay, let's get right into it. So I ordered these sandals maybe like 2 weeks ago. It came in this big box. I've already opened it, so I'm gonna show you guys. I really like the new boxes that they have. It used to be the black and white, but now they have this green one with this textured design or whatever. And the ribbon, here's the receipt. But it says the name is Islar, whatever, rubber sandal mesh. And it was $8.90 plus tax. It came to like $9 something. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. It comes with this bag here. It's actually a bigger bag. Usually they have, you know, just the dust bags, but they have this canvas bag now, which is perfect. You could put shoes in it, or you know, you're traveling, you could use this. So yeah, that's really cute, you know, to pack when you're traveling. Then it comes in the dust. Then it comes in a dust bag as well. So these are the sandals. Okay. To me, they're cute. My sister was like, these are ugly, but to me, they're cute. I am in love with them. Super, super, super cute. I haven't worn them out yet, but I've tried them on. So I got a size 40. As you can like, and the fact that they are mesh, I like the logo design all around it. Super, super cute. Now I've always wanted one of those Chanel ones, the Dad Sandals, because I think they had it before Gucci, but those are like literally like double the price of this. So when I saw these, I'm like, one of my friends had them, so I saw it, I'm like, oh, I need to get these. They're cute. Now I got a size 40, but they fit perfectly fine, but they like they just fit, like there isn't any more room for anything. So maybe I could have gone a size up, but then again, they're already like chunky. They're already like really big, so I was like, let me stick to my size. And then you can also adjust the buckles. So you can see this one, I moved it to the second one, and then it's a little more. I feel like these are like perfect for, like, you know, you're traveling, you go on vacation, just regular day. I feel like I'll be able to get a lot of wear out of this. You know, it could be your everyday sandals, you know, pretty much. So yeah, I really also love the mesh. It's like see-through, as you can see. This right here, the buckle detail, you know, is like silver, and then the hardware is like gold right there. Yeah, these are cute. These are really, really cute. And they're in, you know, they're trendy and all that. I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see them. So yeah, these are the sandals. I feel like they're super, super cute. It's not so, you know, high. And I love them. Let me know what you guys think. This video is not going to be a long video, obviously. This is just one item. So let me know what you guys think. Did you like this video? Do you like the sandals? Are you thinking of getting them? I think this is like the new one. They have different colors. They have a white. I haven't seen the different color of the mesh, but they have a lot more. They have a lot more colors, you know, of the Dad sandals. They have a white rubber one, a black rubber one. Yeah, pretty much. So let me know what you guys think.